Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today we have the third modification for the Supra. So the first one was the catted downpipe and cold air intake, but today we have a new spoiler. This is the Seibon MB Style spoiler. So let me finish getting this out of the box and getting this out of the way and opening it up, and we'll continue on with the install. So here's the wing out of the box and out of the bubble wrap. This is my first time ever ordering everything from Seibon Carbon, and they shipped it really well. It was just wrapped in bubble wrap and this foam stuff, but everything looks perfect. Like, the box wasn't damaged at all. The wing looks perfect so far, and the carbon, the weave on it is beautiful. So it came with the bolts already inside, so I'll just have to remove these and replace those with these guides that this will just slide in where the bolts are right now, and it's like a little template to drill into the trunk of the car. Also came with these that go over the holes, and then this stripping to, I guess, keep the water out of from seeping underneath around here. So this will just go along the edge. So now comes the fun part of drilling 4 holes into a brand new trunk. So let me get everything masked off and I'll start doing that. So now the bolts are out. I added these guiding templates for where to mark the holes. I just added a little bit of painter's tape here, just in the center, so when we tape down the sides, when it's on the trunk, it's just easy to pull off. It won't cause a lot of resistance, and it'll just come out of the hole. And I also taped off the trunk. I'll show you that in a little bit. So now we just gotta line up the spoiler and then tape down the sides and then remove the spoiler, making sure we keep the templates on, drill the holes, and then we're pretty much it. This is such an easy install to do, which is nice. The only part that's going to suck is drilling into the trunk, but as long as we have the correct bits, it should be perfect. So let me get this lined up and then get these sides taped down, and we'll continue with the install. Alright, so the templates are taped down. As you can see, I used some painter's tape just along the edges of the templates just to hold it down, and the trunk is propped open with a trash box. So now that these are on here, we can just grab our drill and just drill straight through the trunk. I'm going to take a second just to measure this from here to here to the edge, and then from this hole, where this hole is going to be, to this edge, just to make sure it's all even. Just another like paranoid thing, but I'm sure it should be fine. And I threw some gloves on just so I'm not scratching up the carbon trunk, the carbon spoiler. So let me measure this real quick. I'll finish prepping the spoiler and then we'll start drilling our holes. Well, that's a little nerve-wracking. So now I'm going to finish the other holes and I'll get back to you. Alright, well, I started with some little pilot holes. Now that these are drilled, I just got to work my way up to the perfect size bit that will fit the bolts for the spoiler. I don't know what size that is, but here's the other side. I don't know what size the perfect bit for the spoiler bolts are going to be, but I'm just going to start slowly work my way up, testing different bolts out and seeing which one fits the best. So I will get back to you. So if you're doing this yourself, just make sure you take your time when drilling. It's just plastic, so the drill bit should go through pretty easily. Here is the bolt that came with the spoiler. I ended up having to use a 1/4 inch drill bit, and it's a perfect fit. Your case may vary. That's why I will recommend you start off with a small bit and just work your way up. And as you drill a hole, just test fit the bolt to go through. These drill bits aren't mine. I borrowed them from a friend, so who knows if they're mismatched or whatever. I ended up starting with the 7/64ths or one of the 1/8ths down here, and then just worked my way up and stopped right at the 1/4 inch drill. So now all that's left is to remove the tape. I'm going to clean up some of this just plastic bits that came off the drill when I was drilling, and then all that's left is just to put the spoiler on, pretty much. That's the only thing that's left. So let me take this tape off. Actually, I could do that now. So yeah, so if you're doing this yourself, just take your time. Really, you know, you can't go back once you drill a big hole. So definitely start off small and work your way up. Remove this tape off. And now this side. It's definitely easier with two hands, but here, it's about to come off. Geez, what did I do here? Oh, that failed. So I'll just finish removing this tape, and then we'll get back to you. And now we just close the trunk. Step back and admire our hard work. Honestly, the install wasn't too bad. Just 4 holes in total. Drill it up. Make sure it's lined up perfectly. Drill your holes. Start off small. Work your way up, and then just mount it. The wing looks absolutely beautiful. The weave is perfect. Super glossy. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. Honestly, I like the way it looks with the color of the car and the carbon wing, but that's going to do it for now. I'm going to try and get some cinematic shots of the wing during the day. As you can see, it's currently rainy and gross outside. So I will catch you guys later.